Hi folks, this video is a continuation of my extensively documented solar-powered shed ventilation projects. Please refer to the description and end screen for related DIY content. In this video I test a more expensive but potentially more efficient 24-volt DC car radiator fan. 12-volt fans are cheaper but not necessarily well matched to standard 12-volt solar panels due to their lower impedance. Hey folks, I'm outside my shop, and for the longest time I've wanted to try a 24-volt car radiator fan with a solar panel. Unfortunately, they can cost 4 to 10 times more than what a normal 12-volt fan would cost. Right here in front of me, I have the first 24-volt radiator fan I ever owned. This is actually sold as an AC condenser fan, but if you look at it, it's pretty much the same thing as a car radiator fan, as far as I can tell. It does look different on the back, and it says it's made in Taiwan. It's time to find out if this is better for solar, direct connected, PV to load, than a 12 volt. I'm sure it will be. The question is how much. For the test setup, I've got the fan. This is a brand new fan, 24 volts. I've got my watt meter, and I have a wire going over here to only a 50 watt 12 volt solar panel. It's very small. The sun is pretty good. It's still pretty cold out. The sun is not as bright as it would otherwise be in the summer, but it's good enough for a test. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hook this up and see what happens. I've just got positive and negative wired straight through that meter. There's no regulator and there's no DC converter or anything like that. Just gonna hook it straight up. I'm getting 21 volts open circuit. Let's go and give it a try. Just in case it's not clear from my reaction in the video, this solar panel and this fan are a near perfect match, gaining almost 50 watts of power through the fan without any DC converter or electronics in between. This is quite stunning, and it will absolutely be used in my shed as soon as possible. I aimed the solar panel a little bit more at the sun. So what I did is I aimed the solar panel more at the sun, and I'm getting about 46 watts. That's almost 50 watts. And I'm pretty sure I saw a higher number than that earlier. Okay, so I've stepped away because the fan is really noisy. It's working extremely well. I've got a Renogy 50 watt panel here, and the VMP on that is about 18 volts, something like that. And this fan is holding very close to the volt's maximum power range, and I'm getting almost 50 watts into that fan with no electronics at all. So I'm very impressed. 24 volt fan does cost significantly more. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to deploy this fan in one of my sheds and use it to ventilate my shed for the summer, and we'll see how that works out. Anyway folks, I hope this helps you out. I just wanted to show this demonstration here, this test. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching folks. More videos are on the way soon. See you next time.